Good luck, guys.
Free lessons.
Here goes.
Check your weapon. Ready.
Okay, we're ready for this fight. We're gonna get this fight started in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fight, robots, fight. Okay, those robots up to speed. Antlash back into position. Big hit from Antlash. The weapon on Chainsaw down. Something has fallen out of one of the two robots. I'm not sure what that is. That's something that wasn't important because both robots are still working. Antlash lining up another decent hit, but throwing themselves into the wall. Another good hit on Chainsaw from Antlash. Uh-oh, stuck up on the wall. They did put themselves there. Thank you. Then what a good stroke. Okay.
Poke at him.
Yeah, just poke that wheel right there.
Take your time and just hit it anywhere.
You need time. Chainsaw, protect that wheel. You're one good wheel.
There you go. Rocket. Rocket. Turn the weapon off and on. Stuck on the wall. Concentrate on getting it off. Rocket back and forth.
Those robots not moving too well. Which one? Turn that weapon up and down. All the way off, and then flick it up all of a sudden. There we go. Yeah, there we go.
He's stuck on the wall, I think, Helen.
He's stuck on the wall. Oh, there's that opening for one hit. All you need is that one wheel right there. It's out. Let's see if you can do this. Great hit. That one wheel keeps showing itself with the weapon and actually guarding it. 3, 2, 1, and that's the match. Throttles down. Very, very, very good match.